Hello everyone, I'm Richard. Welcome to our presentation on the evolution of internet marketing. Today, we'll explore how AI is transforming marketing, the importance of capturing attention in a crowded space, and much more. Let's dive in. If you're still marketing like it's 2024, you're already behind. AI is taking over, attention spans are shrinking, and brands that don't evolve will get left behind. AI is reshaping marketing as we know it. Are you still manually adjusting your marketing campaigns? AI is already doing it faster and smarter. Getting clicks is easy. Keeping people engaged is the real challenge. Short-form videos are now the best-performing content format for businesses. Consumers don't trust brands as much as they used to. Brands using first-party data are seeing higher engagement and lower ad costs. People don't trust brands, but they do trust creators. The smartest brands aren't just running ads. They're becoming content creators. AI is changing the ad game entirely. Marketers using AI-powered ad targeting are seeing lower ad costs, higher engagement, and more conversions. More people are searching on TikTok and Instagram than on Google. If your content isn't optimized for social search, you're invisible to a massive audience. These are the shifts happening right now. If you're not evolving, you're falling behind fast. Stay ahead of the curve by embracing new tech and strategies. As we wrap up today's exploration of the dynamic world of internet marketing, remember that the landscape is evolving faster than ever before. AI is revolutionizing how we approach marketing. Attention spans are getting shorter, and the importance of building trust with your audience has never been greater. But here's the exciting part. You now have the insights and strategies to not just keep up, but to stay ahead of the curve. By embracing AI, focusing on engaging content, leveraging first-party data, and becoming a trusted content creator, you're setting yourself up for success in this ever-changing digital world. If you found today's insights valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll ensure you don't miss out on any of our future videos, where we'll continue to break down the latest trends, strategies, and success stories in the world of marketing. We're committed to bringing you the most up-to-date and actionable content to help you grow and succeed. So, stay curious, keep experimenting, and remember that the future of marketing is bright for those who are ready to evolve. Thank you for joining me, Richard, on this journey through the evolution of internet marketing. I can't wait to see you in our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the strategies that will shape the future of digital engagement. Until then, keep innovating, stay ahead, and let's make the digital world a more connected and engaging place together. See you next time.